In this problem, we're going to draw a circle with a radius of 3, then use offset to draw another concentric circle, then put a shade between these two circles and find the area of the shade. So let's get started. Click on the circle tool. Make sure to use center with the radius option. Click anywhere on the screen. Type 3 for the radius. And then click on offset. Type 0.5. Since 0.5 is the offset value. Click this existing circle. Click anywhere on the circumference and click outside. Right click. Cancel. Now click on the hatch tool. Click between these two circles. Now we would like to make it same shade as given as in the given problem. So we're going to click on the settings. The dialog box is going to come up, and then click on this area that says pattern and scroll up. Click solid. Now change the color. Click here and select this cyan color. Click OK and press enter to accept. Now click this shade, right click, click this shade, right click, click on properties, and the area is 10.2102.